Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best 664XL HP ink cartridges available on the market. If you're looking to enhance your printing experience with reliable ink that doesn't break the bank, you're in the right place. Let's explore why these cartridges from HOTCOLOR stand out among the rest. These HOTCOLOR 664XL ink cartridges are designed to deliver exceptional performance for your HP DeskJet Ink Advantage printers. The pack includes one black and one color cartridge, ensuring you're ready for both monochrome and vibrant color printing tasks. The black cartridge yields up to 600 pages, while the color cartridge can print up to 450 pages at 5% coverage, making them efficient for both home and office use. These cartridges use imported ink and feature precise ink filling to ensure consistent print quality with every use. Equipped with the latest intelligent chips, these cartridges offer perfect compatibility with your printer, reducing the hassle of compatibility issues. To sum it up, if you're searching for reliable, budget-friendly ink cartridges for your HP printer, the HOTCOLOR 664XL cartridges are a fantastic choice. They offer high page yields, excellent print quality, and seamless compatibility, all at a fraction of the cost of original cartridges. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or presentations, these cartridges will ensure you get the job done without any compromise. Don't forget to check them out via the link in the description below. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. Leave your comments and questions down below, we love hearing from you. Until next time, happy printing!